Hello everyone, this is the Android app that I have developed for Techathon 2014. Let's run the app. It will run on my AVD, the Android's emulator. So the first page that you see will be the login screen. If you have not registered yet, then you can register by clicking on the register button. So here you have to give the full name. I'll just give my first name for time being. Let me keep the password as test, and I will have to give a working email ID. This email ID will be used as my username. So once you click on register, it will take you back to the login screen. So you will have to log in with the registered email ID now. And the password, and click on login. All the user list is stored in Bluemix. Here I have the app uprefs, and in under mobile data you can see the data classes. One of them is users, which holds all the active user IDs. Meanwhile, if you have not set your preferences already, that means you just registered, so you don't have your preferences set. So it will take you to set your preferences activity. Here you'll have to set your time zone, your preferred communication. For now it is just email, and the location. And when you click on save, it will take you to your current preferences page. So this is your current preferences page. Now all this data gets stored here. If you go to manage data, you can see there are 4 tables here in data classes, and you see the user. There are so many users. One of them is the one that we just entered, and you can see under preferences, you'll see that for this particular email ID, you see there will be 3 rows created: one for communication, which has email, and one for time zone, which has the time zone that is set by you, and one for the location. Okay, now we'll go back to our app and we will try to change this. Now let me just change the location to Hyderabad and click on save. So this should again take you back to the current preferences page. Okay, sorry. So once your preferences are sent, there is a trigger that is activated. This trigger should ideally be used to set the location details for notes or same time and so on. For now, the trigger that we are using is the email. So for demo purposes we are using email, and an email is sent with all the new data. So I'll go to home, which is nothing but the preferences, the current preferences, you can see that the location is being changed from London to from New York to Hyderabad. Meanwhile, you can also see that I have received an email with all the preferences, all the IBM offices that are there in Hyderabad. There are 3 IBM offices in Hyderabad, and it is listing them and sending it in an email. You can see here that we also have a table called office locations. For now we have added only 28 rows based on the campus names. So there will be address, zip code, city, and so on. So from here the code picks up the IBM offices based on the city name. As you can see, Hyderabad has 3 IBM locations. If you enlarge it, you'll be able to see it better. So you can see that Hyderabad has 1, 2 and 3 locations, and these are sent in a mail. Thank you.